In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit availability on HotSchedules app. So the first thing you have to do is, of course, log into your account, and then once you're logged in, you have to go to the very top left where there's this navigation panel button. Simply press it, and then when there says Settings, hover over Settings, and then from the drop-down menu, go to the first option and click it where it says Personal. Once this loads up, to edit your availability, what you have to do is press this plus button under availability up here. It's gray. Press it, and then once you press it, you will have to select the effective date. So for me, I'm going to click over here and I'm going to select, for example, October 5th. Okay. Now you have to also put in a reason for change. For this instance, I'm going to just type in family, and then down here, you can click and drag to select your availability and edit your availability for that date. So as you can see, up here, there's kind of a key which says available is when there's white, so I'm currently available all day, and unavailable on the certain parts where there's a kind of gray. And the way you get this gray area is simply by dragging it. So let's say I'm unavailable from 11 to 5 p.m. I would simply have to drag over here, okay? So as you can see, there we go, I just did that, and then let's put this over here, and then some random ones as well, down here, and down here. So, of course, you're gonna set this to your own personal preference and the way you want it to be. And if you want to change any of this, and you, let's say, messed up over here when on Tuesday you put from 4:45 to 11:45, you can simply change it by just go into the very edge of this gray area, and you'll see this kind of arrow that goes to the left and to the right. Simply hold it down and you'll be able to select it and change it as you wish. You can do this anywhere, and if you want to be available yet again for the entire day, you can simply kind of just go to 0, and there we go, you're available all day yet again. So that's pretty much it. And once you're done, and once you're ready to submit your availability, you can press submit availability down here, and it will say saved changes, and that's it. If you would like to then delete this availability, you can come back to this screen and simply tap on that availability and tap this red X button up top right on where it says your availability. Tap it, it will say, are you sure you want to delete availability beginning on Saturday? So Saturday and then the date, and then you want to click delete. And that's it, your availability has been deleted. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.